Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful Christmas tree ornament. For this, we are using different colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This Christmas tree ornament looks cute and beautiful. It is very easy to do and it is beginner friendly. To do this Christmas tree ornament, we want to know the basic stitches like chain, double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch. First, we will do chain of 185 and do double crochet in each stitch so that we get this part of this tree. Next, we will do the balls and then we will join them to form like this beautiful Christmas tree ornament. So now let's see how to do this beautiful Christmas tree ornament. Start with a slip knot. Do 185 chain. So the foundation chain should be 185. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 185 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, we are going to work in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. So, we'll be working on the third loop. So, to find the third loop, we have to turn your work and you'll see a bump-like structure here. So, we will be working in this loop. That is, you're going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in this third loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. So next stitch, if you see, you will see a next bump like structure here. We are going to work on it. So we are going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So likewise, we'll be doing double crochet in each stitch on the third loop. So for the next stitch, if you see, here is that bump. So for next stitch, we'll be working here. For next stitch here. So likewise, we'll be doing double crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. So if you see, you'll have a beautiful finish on both these sides since we are working on the third loop. So after doing them, it looks like this. So next do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So next we are going to fold them. After folding them, the Christmas tree looks like this. So we'll separate 2 by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next we are going to do a ball to attach all these. So we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. So now let's see how to do that ball. Start with magic circle. Do chain 1. We are going to do 6 single crochet inside this circle. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next it's single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Likewise, you are going to do 4 more single crochet inside this circle. Totally, you should have 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After doing 6 single crochet inside the circle, it looks like this. Next, you can pull this yarn to close the circle. And we are not going to finish this round using slip stitch. Instead, we are going to work in rounds. So in the next stitch, you are going to do 2 single crochet. One, 2. Next stitch 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Likewise, you are going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch till you get 12 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after doing 2 single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Total you'll be having 12 single crochet stitches. For next round, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So at the end of this round, you'll be having 12 single crochet stitches. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
and 12. So after doing this round, it looks like this. Next round, you are going to do decrease. Insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So decrease is nothing but we are joining 2 stitch into a single stitch. So at the end of this round, you will be having 6 single crochet stitches. So 1, next stitch decrease, insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. Insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. 2, 3,
4, 5, and 6.
next the chain one, extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. So next we are going to do a stuffing. After doing the stuffing, it looks like this. Next we are going to close this hole. So you'll take 1 loop from each stitch, pull. So now we have completed the ball. So by following the same pattern, we have to do 5 more balls. So we are done with them. Now let's see how to join them together to form like a Christmas tree ornament. We have to join the balls like this. So take a long strands of yarn in this needle and insert in this ball. We'll leave a little bit for the hanging. So next we are going to insert from top to the bottom. You can join these two together. After weaving them, the Christmas tree ornament looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.